How to withdraw from OKX to bank account. So if you want to withdraw money or anything for fiat currency from OKX to bank account, first of all make sure that you have the fiat currency, right? So make sure that it is the currency, not cryptocurrency but fiat currency. So if you don't know, then you can also convert your crypto and sell them for fiat currency. Now once you've done that process and then you want to withdraw the stuff to your bank accounts, then depending upon which country you're in, tap on the three dots or the multiple dots icon there. Then under manage assets, you'd find an option that says withdraw. Now under withdraw, first of all, it's important to make sure that you have verified your identity, and once you verify your identity, then from there on you'll find the option to basically withdraw to your bank account and select your bank account details, the SWIFT code and everything else to basically finish the process. And this way you'll be able to withdraw from OKX to bank account. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and as always, see you soon in the next video.